Hey guys, it's me Samira. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very different. In today's video, I'm going to be playing a challenge where I will be drawing some of my favorite YouTubers under 5 minutes. So the rules for this challenge are that I am not going to be using a pencil or an eraser. I'm only going to use my favorite art medium, which is the oil pastels, and also piece of paper. This glass contains a bunch of my favorite YouTubers. I'll be picking 5 of them and I'll be drawing them under 5 minutes. So I have never done very well in portraiture. Some of my biggest art failures happened to be portraits. So I am very much excited about this video, that too with the challenge that it's going to be under 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's get started. So here I'm going to be taking one. Let's see who that is. Oh my god. Okay, so this is Kesh. If you don't know who Kesh is, I'll put a link to his channel down below. He is an artist and he is the reason that I'm starting to sketch a lot nowadays. Alright, let's start the challenge. I'm starting the timer. Okay, so here I see a yellow background. Oh no, wait. According to Kesh, we should first draw shapes. So first I'm going to draw whatever shape that I see. Here I can see a lot of hair, which I'm very thankful of. I mean, Kesh, because of your hair, I am being excluded from the task of detailing. So, okay, white. I don't know how to draw white now. Oh, this is not good. So I'm trying to give some shading, as you can see. Kesh, I'm so sorry if you're watching this video. I'm so sorry, this was not okay, actually hands up. Of all the people, I don't want Kesh to see this. So Kesh, if you're watching this video, my humble apologies. I wish I had practiced before making this video. This is what Kesh looks like. Alright, so 1 is done, 4 more to go. Let's see who our next YouTuber is. Okay, so it is me, saminspire. I'm my favorite YouTuber, of course, because I love the content that I create. And it's going to be quite a challenge because I'm going to be drawing myself. Okay, start. Chesara? Okay, I can see a lot of green. Okay.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm done. It has come out very well. I think it has come out well. Kada? Alright, moving on to the third YouTuber. Okay, this is 2, so I'm gonna drop 1. Prajakta Kohli, so it's MostlySane. So first I'll draw the face. The proportions need to be correct. like a portrait to me. This is a figurative drawing. Oh, it's black, it's black. Dark blue, dark blue, dark blue. Okay. Actually, I'm done. I'm done. This is what it looks like. Alright, moving on to the fourth one. This one's Be Unique. I guess it's going to be easy because he has a hat and a beard. Start. So he's drinking chai over here, and right now I'm just outlining Be Unique. I'm not understanding how to draw this glass of chai because yellow ochre and this are of the same colors. It could be his mobile phone or anything. It's just not a glass of chai.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So we've done. Moving on to the next one. Okay, so this one is Mahatalli, and she's a Telugu YouTuber. I love her, I adore her. Start the timer. So I cheated a little bit and I took 30 seconds extra, but my result is... Alright, so that was the last one, but I want to do a bonus round because we have one more chit left inside. So let's see who it is. It's BBkiVines, one of my favorite YouTubers, and of course you guys know him. Let's start the timer and see what will happen. He also has like a very nice silky hair. I wish I had them though. So far, I like the way it's turning out. I guess this is the most recognizable face by far. So guys, that was today's challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite sketch of all the sketches that I have done today, and what will be your ratings of these sketches. And also I would like to know who your favorite YouTuber is, and if you liked these type of videos, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Please give me your feedback. Alright guys, so I'll see you very soon in my next video. Until then, keep crafting. Bye bye. I'm only be going to use this chair is extremely uncomfortable and my tooth is paining, so let's just forget about that. Okay, start. Oh, 1 second, నా దగ్గర వీడి ఫోటో లేదు.
స్టాప్ చేసి
స్టాప్ చేసేయండి.